mouse climbing the clock. Good afternoon, Bloop Town. Splash is heading to the town square to visit the big clock tower.
You made it! Welcome to the clock, Max.
Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck! The mouse ran down. That was so much fun! Let's count how many times I can climb one vine. 1! Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2. The mouse ran down again. 2 claps for Max. One. Let's see if Max can make it to 3.
Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 3. Bong! Bong! Bong!
Wow, I can see all of Bloop Town from up here. Why?
The mouse ran down, all the way to the bottom. 3 cheers for Max!
Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!